how do you get the attention of your dream client? The type of clients that could make or break your business. Your dream clients typically aren't going to be always looking at Facebook ads. They're not always going to be responsive to outreach messages. So how do you get in front of them, get their attention, and potentially have a sales conversation with them? I'm going to be sharing 2 strategies with you on how to engage with your dream clients and look at potentially moving them from cold to a lead, to a prospect, to a client. These strategies might not be something that you expect, right? Because generally when marketers talk about dream clients, we talk about funnels and all these hacks, but I'm going to give you some real world strategies, tried and tested, that have helped me in my business to go and get these amazing clients that we love working with, that help us to grow our brand, that stay with us for years and years with a great relationship both ways. The number one thing I'm going to share with you, or the number one strategy, is around events. Put yourself into the shoes of your dream clients, right? Typically bigger businesses and many people in the business, one of the things I look at is, well, if I put myself in their shoes, where are they going, or where can I go and meet them? Now, I know a lot of us in the marketing space like to keep things virtual, we like to keep things online, but as a business owner who is chasing bigger clients, bigger deals, dream clients, right? The whole point of this, sometimes going out into the real world, shaking someone's hand and looking them in the eye is actually such a powerful strategy. Now, here's the thing. I know you're busy. You probably don't want to be going to a million events every single month, trying to shake hands with random people. So what we do is we look at events and we go super targeted. First of all, we filter the events. We say, where are my dream clients exhibiting or sponsoring or showing up, right? How do we find this information? Well, we look at industry events. We look at potentially where their clients are going because they're going to be where their clients are. Kind of like clientception, right? So that's the one thing we do. We look at who's sponsoring, who's exhibiting, and then if our dream clients are actually going to be at these events and they've invested to be at the events, that's a great sign. The thing is though, it's not enough just to turn up and hope and pray that you're going to get a conversation with your dream customers because they're going to be busy at the event. So what we like to do is we email outreach before the event to set meetings during. So what this looks like is building a really good email list of the right decision makers at these companies and referencing the fact that we're going to be at these events as well and just offering them something really quick and easy. Like, hey, can I buy you a coffee for 5 minutes and have a quick chat at the event? Something like that works phenomenally well. Now, we recently ran a campaign for one of our clients, getting meetings before, during, and after an event. And we had 100 dream leads we're reaching out to from the event. And from those 100 dream leads, we actually got a 68% open rate on the emails, and we got a 15.9% reply rate with meetings. So we actually got 16 meetings booked, 19 replies, but 16 meetings booked off the back of an event. So you can use the same strategy to go after bigger deals or longer term clients, or even just dream clients who you love to feature on your website. That is the number one thing we do in our business to go and bring on new leads and new clients. That being said, I wanted to also share a second bonus strategy with you that we've used and tested ourselves over the past couple of months that have really brought some great conversations and leads through. And the second strategy is using cold outreach strategically. We send a lot of cold emails every year for our clients. Last year, I think we did about 1.23 million cold emails, so we've got a bunch of data into what works. Overwhelmingly, the number one strategy was emailing to events, but the close second, right, straight after that, is sending cold outreach with a trigger in mind. So what do I mean by a trigger? Well, if there's been changes in the regulations in the industry, if there's been massive movements or trends within the industry that they need to know about, if there's things coming down the pipeline that as a business owner, they want to be on top of or understand more about, those are great trigger reasons to go and reach out to your market and to share information with them. As you can see, we use cold outreach to fill the first two things, right? To fill the events, to fill the trigger reasons, and then we go and educate and connect with our market based on those two things. So if you're after bigger clients, if you're after bigger deals, try them in your business. If you have any other questions about how to get it done, how to execute it, leave me a comment below and I'll get to your questions and give you some more ideas and frameworks about how we do this for ourselves and our clients to get amazing deals, dream clients, and to grow our businesses quicker and also more profitably and in a better way, more fun way. All right, I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe to all the YouTube kind of stuff and see you on the next video.